folks, welcome to Delaney Auto. My name's Sterling Grisso, and we have a fresh trade-in just for you guys. This is an incredible 2019 certified Honda Odyssey, a super great minivan. With wraparound headlights and taillights, fog lights, an already installed bug visor, alloy wheels, breakaway gears with the turn signal indicators already on the sides, door visors, and again, this is a Honda Odyssey. These vans last forever. But let me show you some of those inside features. Coming into the back of the Odyssey here, not only do we have a powered and programmable tailgate, but we also have loads of cargo space for anything you're towing. These seats also go up, giving you extra space down underneath, where we also have the spare tire and the tools to change it. In the second row of this vehicle, we do have the power doors on the side, the weatherproofing floor mats, good for keeping off all that dust, dirt, rain, and snow, tri-zone climate control, and very comfortable second row leather interior. We have some powered seating up here, as long as some traction control modes, heated seats, LED display for your backup camera, your radio connections, dual climate, a sunroof, and so many great features. But you gotta come check out the rest in person. This vehicle has been through service, it's all cleaned up, and waiting for you. My name's Sterling Grisso. I'm at the Delaney Honda building across from the Walmart Supercenter in Indiana, PA. And if you guys want to ride somewhere in comfort, style, and safety, then not only am I your salesman and we're your dealership, this is your van.